Hello guys, today we are going to talk about variables in Python. What is a variable? A variable, as you can see this box over here, it's a container. What is a container? Somewhere you can store things inside it. So that thing you are going to store is called a value. A value, either it's numeric value, means numbers, or a string value, which is text. So over here, this box should have a name. So we call it variable name. If you look over here, what does every Python variable have? It has a name and a value. The value is the content of the container. So that value, either it's a number or it's a what? It's a text or string. Now that name should not be reserved word. So what do we mean by reserved word? And I cannot use a variable name as print, for example. So let me just start showing you some examples. Now over here, let's say I have a variable, let's call it var, and I'm setting the value of it to 14. Then I want to print var. What will happen? So I am saying over here, hey computer, I need a storage box. I will name that storage box, which is a variable, var, and I need to assign the value 14 to that variable. Now I'm asking the computer to print the variable. So when I click on run, see what we'll have in the console. You can see number 14. Now what if I say var plus 5? So the value of var stored into var plus 5, and the total will be 19. Exactly. So we can use var also for calculation. Exactly. Yes, we can do. Now let's try to store something else in that variable, like a name. Can I say Abdurrahman like that, or Ali like that? No, I can't do that. I have to store the name within the quotations. Strings should be always between quotations. So let's try now. I need to print the var. What is it containing? See, Ali now. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now let me try to do something else. Okay, I need a variable called age equal to 14, and then I need to print the value of age. Now let's see that. You can again see number 14. So no matter what you name the variable, you still can call it. But wait a minute, what if I call it like this? So over here I capitalized the A. So they are different now. Remember, Python is very sensitive with the letter cases. So age over here, this is a different variable than this one. So both is not the same. Look, you see I have an error. Now what if I created a variable called age equal to 55? So which one this will call? This will call this one, right? So it will print 55 definitely, because these are two different variables. This one is different than this one. Okay, now one more. Now let's say I need to store a name, for example. Names always should be between quotation, and single quotation or double quotation, it's always up to you. Abdullah. So age is 14, name is Abdullah. Now I need to print name type and click run. See what we have? We have Abdullah, because I'm printing the value that's stored in the box called name. Now what if I do this? Now over here, quotations. Remember, if you put the quotations over here and print, it will give you the word name, because now I'm printing whatever between the quotations, and that is the text name. Okay, so let's print the name and the age. Remember the comma? So name and age. What the comma will do? It will give me what? A space. Abdullah 14. Type. Can I add the slash t? Yes, I can add, but it should be between like this and then a comma. So what is the slash t for? Remember, it gives a space, big space. That's it for today. Let's go and practice now. Thank you so much.